Hey, it's been a while. New phone, I don't know where the fucking lens is. Not cockeyed, not fucking straggle-eyed like some people. So I decided today that I was gonna come over to Bob's Italian in Medford. Bob's, whatever the fuck it's called. Just Bob's. Bob's it is. Bob'sFood.com. Bob's Food. Bob's. Bob's my knobs. Speaking of, look at that fucking knob. That's a knob right there. This is a steak and cheese with egg and bacon. It's a large with extra cheese. 17 bucks. Comes uncut. Probably like your father's little prick. Not my business, not my problem. Hopefully your mother was right and got yours clipped. Because if it wasn't for your foreskin, your dick wouldn't be weird. So, now that we're talking about dicks, I'm going to take this huge piece of meat, long ways, down the gullet. Wow. 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 That fucking is hot. Steaming. Instead of steam, probably not. Go fuck yourself. It's raining out, so I can't stand up and eat outside. So now I'm gonna spill shit all over my hoodie. I'm gonna go to work looking like a fucking slob. But I don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck. Very fucking hot. Oh. Idiot. Rookie fucking move. That's what happens when I act uncivilized and sit down and do a review when I'm so used to standing up and doing a review. This next bite might get some of you excited. Keep it to yourself. I don't give a fuck what you do with my videos. Just don't tell me. I mean, I don't know if they forgot my bacon or not, because I certainly don't taste or see no bacon in there. But the steak and egg is really fucking good. Steak is seasoned. It's not, well, I guess it is. It looks like bigger chunks in there, but they're not. They're small, shaved nice. Egg scrambled, omelet style, slapped in the middle, cheese mixed well throughout. Bun's a little soggy, but, you know, it's raining. It's a soggy bun kind of day. I mean, first glance, first taste, quarter of the way through. I'd have to say that this was easily an 8.9. If my bacon was in there and I had that salty flavor, and there was a little bit of black pepper, I could use a little bit of black pepper. This could easily be up in the 9s. It's dripping all over my hand. Look at that. It's a squirter. A gusher. Go fuck yourself. Happy hump day in the rain.